Good afternoon, my YouTube family. Those are my turkeys. They're eating turkeys. There they are. Look at them. Let's go do the unboxing of the items that I've bought. Let's start unboxing. This is Royco. They gave me a bonus for buying so many things. These are Matchbox. These are Ginuts. Ebinyewa Ginuts. Hey, what is this? Oh my God. Biatiseko. This is soya. We mix it with it. Because gundi ya millet what? Soya. Oh no. The other version of this. Soya. We mix it with millet or seda. This is, we have salt. This is flour, whatever you call it. Even this, oh Jesus. No, these are kgs of sugar. This is sugar. These are my bars of soap. And we have, lastly, we have onions, curry powder, and tomatoes. That is all I bought.